What is up, guys? Today I'm doing some betting with my friend, but it's just practice. Say hi. So today we are going to be, since we're both kind of trash at betting, we both want to get better. Okay, so because right now, honestly, we're both trash. Alright, I'm super good with the murder. I want to say cheater. You have tricks up your sleeve already. Oh, nice. We got more people join. Anyway, that's cool. In the end, we can always just... Okay, so... We yoink. Oh, wait, he's over here. I don't know what. Haha, get noob. I'm gonna make some room. Since I'm using my mom's Mac PC. GG 2-0 so far, so I got 2 wins. But then again, this is practice. No betting whatsoever. Oh yeah, my friend Voltraz was donated a Chroma Death Shard, so he is a Chroma now, which is pretty dope. This whole server has Chromas except for I Pizza. Oh shoot. have to sneeze, guys. Sorry. Woo. I got the gun down here. I got the gun down here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got the Luger cane. You can clearly see the Luger cane. It's not mine though. It's borrowed. Don't get too excited, guys. This is not my Luger cane. It's one of my fans. He just hasn't picked it up yet. I think she knows I'm down here. Huh. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Dang, I missed. That's why I don't like being sheriff. I suck at sheriff. I really do suck at sheriff. Alright. Alright, let's see what the DMs are looking like. Let's see what the DMs are looking like. Typed for so long. Could I borrow Log Chopper before I go? Bruh, I got this. Yoink. Okay. Lol. Yeah, I tried rushing. Next time I'm just gonna throw it because you guys clearly see rushing is not a good tactic. No, I don't have a group. Oh boy. We all got the chromas except for her. See what my inventory's looking like. I'm gonna do a giveaway soon because I have a bunch of godlies now that I can give away to you guys. Now that I have all these godlies, it's okay. Innocent. I'm gonna play some Money Plus. Oh, looks like he got her. GG. Oh, hold on a second, buddy. Don't tell my mouse. We can't have that type of language. Well, I'm not trying to show no. Our Shopio should join the game. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. So we're just having some fun in the VIP right now. We chilling, we practicing. Let's see what emotes I got. I got sit. Come on, boy. Sit with me. Shit with me. Come on. Gimme good one. I'ma be a potato. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Sheriff. That means I Pizza is the murderer. Oh, never mind. I guess it's Voltron. Oof. Looks like he was the murderer. Why is his items not spawning in? Oof. He got him. GG. No wait, somebody murder? No der. He got the murder. He got the girl with that shard. That's for sure. That's for sure. Can we bet now? No. No bets on my server. Only practice. No bets on my server. Hello. But she did give me the Eternal. She did. I think she gave me Eternal, did she? Yeah. She gave me that, boy. I can give that away to you guys. Comment down below which giveaway you want. The only item that has not for giveaway is my Chroma Heat. That is my baby. Somebody. Oh, oof. Oh no, just another one. But yeah, you see this? This Chroma Heat is my baby. It's like my precious item. My precious item right there, my Chroma Heat. This was given to me by a loyal fan. That is also known as Dxamo. Dynamo with an X. Nice. Alright. So they got the victory. And it kind of matches my outfit. But hey, it's a Chroma Heat, bro. I can't complain. It's a dope knife. Alright guys, thanks for watching. My timer's about to end, so I gotta finish up this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will post another giveaway right now. I just gotta think of what I'm to give away for you guys.